Hi guys, welcome to another episode from Manifest with Martin. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about going down the rabbit hole. And what I mean by that is that a lot of people who start out with manifestation, they kind of move around, they read one book from one author, they read a book from another author, they go to one YouTube channel, they go to another YouTube channel, and they keep searching and searching for I call it the shiny object, which is really just basically, the latest idea or technique on how to manifest something. Now, it's okay to kind of look around and read different authors and different ideas. That's fair enough. But what it ends up doing is causing a lot of confusion, because really manifestation is really quite simple, not necessarily easy. Now, simple, I say it's simple because you could learn how to manifest in a couple of hours. You could learn all you need to know about it in a couple of hours. But to have the confidence to manifest certain things, maybe bigger things, that's not so easy, because you have a lot of beliefs that you were given in your early years by your surroundings and by your parents or whatever, and that has to be dealt with, really, because if you've got underlying sort of limiting beliefs, then that's going to affect you in your manifestation process. So going down the rabbit hole is really when somebody isn't getting success, they're not getting satisfaction from manifestation, and they just keep searching and searching for something. Maybe they've missed something or something like that. And generally it's not the case. It's the fact that the inner belief, the self-concept is usually what's causing the problem. And there are sort of solutions for this, because self-hypnosis would be one, where you actually change the way you think through self-hypnosis. There are other methods like EFT tapping. There's the Psych-K method. There's ways of reprogramming the mind to think differently. But really, deep down, what you have to do is understand your power. You have to understand that you are the operant power. Christ is within you. God is within you. You can do whatever you want, but Christ is sleeping within you. He's sleeping inside your head, inside your skull, as Neville Goddard would say it. In the darkness of your skull, you have Christ wanting to come out, wanting to give you all the powers that you desire, but you have to bring him out, because he's sleeping. And to bring this out within you, you have to believe and have faith, and you have to know who you are. So this can come from, as I said, reprogramming the mind, being open to new ideas, meditation, sitting in silence, and understanding that you are the I am. I am is the operant power. You can do anything you want. You just have to believe in yourself, believe in your power, have faith, and it will come in time. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you very much. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye-bye.